Hey guys, a quick video here today. For this tutorial, we'll do another men's hair tutorial, this time inspired by Thor in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. Usually his old long hairstyle was just a messy half ponytail, but in Thor Ragnarok, he wore a bit of a showier style, and in the end of Avengers Endgame, he has a magnificent braided beard. Obviously, most people can't do that look, but we can translate the aesthetic to head hair instead. So let's try these out. First, on one side of your head, pick up a little bit of hair just above your ear. Make this into a 3-strand braid. Split into 3 strands, then weave the outside strands over the middle one in alternating order. For a more in-depth explainer video on learning to braid like this, check out the linked video above. Braid this hair all the way to the ends. No need to use a hair elastic here to tie it off, since tiny braids like this are good at holding themselves together. Next, make another small braid like this one, starting immediately behind the first and still right above your ear. Now gather the top half of all your hair and brush it to the back of your head. Hold it like a ponytail, and add in the small braids to this ponytail. Thor wears this ponytail tied in place with some leather cord. To do this yourself, pass the middle of some cord underneath the ponytail and hold one end of the cord in each hand. This way the ponytail hair stays together in the crook of the cord. Now tie the ends together over the top of the ponytail hair. Knot once up here, then knot the ends again underneath the ponytail. This might be a bit tricky to do without hair falling out, so feel free if you want to use a normal hair tie on the ponytail first to stabilize it before tying on the cord. Now wrap up the length of the ponytail by crisscrossing the ends of the cord a couple times. When you get down to about the ends of the cord, tie them together here again. Make sure the cord is long enough to do all this by using a strip of cord about 70 to 80 centimeters long. Thor's Ragnarok look is on the disheveled side, so feel free to let your bangs hang free if you have them, or pull out your baby hairs around your face. Lastly, Thor also has a couple accent braids in the remaining hanging hair, so make 1 or 2 of these accent braids on each side of your head. This gives you Thor's accent braided half ponytail look in Thor Ragnarok. To do Thor's Endgame style on your head, pick up a strip of hair above your forehead at your front hairline. Split this into 3 strands, and this time make a French braid. This uses the same alternating weaving pattern of a normal 3-strand braid, but this time you add in new hair to each outside strand before weaving it over the middle one. Again, I have a video to help you learn and practice this technique, as French braiding can be a bit frustrating of a skill plateau for people to work through. I tend to think that French braiding is the biggest step up in hair braiding difficulty for new braiders, and once you master that, it really unlocks a ton of new hairstyling techniques for you to do. Anyways, form this French braid straight back over the top of your head until you reach the upper back of your head. When you get there, stop adding in new hair and switch to making just a 3-strand braid. Tie the ends off for now so they don't unravel. Now pick up a thin strip of hair along your side hairline and make a lace braid this time. What does that mean? Well, it's like half a French braid. Add in new hair to only one side of the braid as you form it. In this case, add in new hair only to the strand that is closest to the top of your head. Lace braid until you get to the back of your head, and then again finish the braid with a normal 3-strand braid technique and tie off the ends. Make another lace braid on the other side of your head, the exact same way you did the first one. Lastly, bring these 3 braids together at the top back of your head. Tie them together here with a hair tie. Then undo any braiding below this tie. When you're done there, you have Thor's Avengers Endgame beard style translated to head hair. Thanks for watching this tutorial. For more fantasy and sci-fi hairstyles for any gender, check out my YouTube channel Silvousplaits. Also consider joining the Silvousplaits Patreon, where patrons get a lot of extra hairstyling info and can even choose what videos should be made next. Hope to see you around again. Have a great day.